About 15 years ago, when I started within Arcelor Mittal, I got in touch with Inland Waterways. Why? Because I was at that time responsible for sheet piling department, mainly project cargo, to dedicated job sites, mainly northern Germany and the Netherlands, where customers were, for example, constructing quay walls or flood protection. So we were just located, the job site was located on a riverside or even on a coast, and there it was obvious for us to deliver by barge. This was one of the competitive advantages of the barge, as, for example, the transport even at that time by rail or by truck would have not been, let's say, that cost effective on one side, but also on the other side, the people had their construction over there and they were just waiting for the barge to unload from the barge directly to their job site, which was not possible as these job sites were rarely, to nearly no extent, connected to any railway, for example. The benefit is very clearly that we have very often oversized cargo, meaning something about 30 meters for section or even up to 60 meters, which is difficult, if not to say cost, how do I say it, very expensive with regards to rail costs, but also trucking, strictly impossible. And here the barge is a very good alternative versus trucking or versus rail. As especially the Luxembourgish mills are active within project business. Project business is not steady, and lot sizes can vary from 300 tons up to 1.5 KT. We need first the vessels availability, have, let's say, a good supply of vessels. That's one thing. And then the other thing is to have a proper infrastructures in the port to, let's say, do a transshipment either on rail or either for the last mile on truck. So it's both. It's the factor of having availability of vessels on the Mosel mostly, but on the other side also the infrastructure has to fit the needs with regards to cost and service to the customer.